5, bye-bye.
That looks not too bad, huh?
Yeah,
what do you
very
think?
nice.
Thank you.
Fantastic, good morning, Eurowings 8 Alpha Juliett on the visual report for Runway 05 right.
Eurowings 8 Alpha Juliett, good morning, report final 05 right, you're number 1.
Eurowings 8 Alpha Juliett, will call. Yeah, approach lights are in sight.
Unchecked. So 7 miles, 2,300. This is very good. Sehr schön. Very good. Gear down.
Gear down.
Set go on altitude 3,500 feet. So auto thrust is auch off. Also off. Down to red to white. That's good. Flaps 3.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
All flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
Landing checklist.
ICA Memo, landing no blue.
Landing no blue.
Ja, cabin is ready da rechts.
Danke, thank you. And VLS check please, add 5 knots, huh?
Yeah,
Need to add, set it to 125 please. The approach.
Eurowings 8 Alpha Juliett, wind 040 degrees at 3 knots, runway 05 right, clear to land.
Eurowings 8 Alpha Juliett, runway 05 right, clear to land.
Yeah, 120, thank you. Landing checklist, we did this already,
yes.
So we're good. And we're clear to land. So now that looks better.
1,000.
Checked.
Checked.
$300. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard, retard, retard.
Spoilers, reverse green, decel.
Manual brakes.
$70 knots.
Check. Victor Delta.
Eurowings 8 Alpha Juliett, taxi at holding point Delta Zulu 1 and hold short of runway 05 left.
Eurowings 8 Alpha Juliett, Delta Zulu 1, hold short, runway 05 left.